Hi, Dave Buckner here with another video from Accelerated Fastening. We're going to drill a 1/4 inch hole. We're going to install a HILTI wedge anchor, and we're going to install a gripple. We're going to drill the hole with the ratchet drill press. We're in a scissors lift right now, but there's a lot of times when you just can't get your scissors lift up high enough. So we're going to show you how to use a ratchet drill press in the scissors lift. So let's go up and drill a hole. Let's pick a nice spot where you guys can see me. There's no other holes. Okay, here we go. Plus I have the depth stop on here at the right depth. The depth stops that come with these drills, you can put 300 pounds of pressure on a drill with the ratchet drill press. Those depth stops, they don't last. They just don't last. So anyway, we provide one and it's ready to be used. So we'll get a couple inches to the ceiling. We'll take this string, put it in the cork cleat that'll turn on the drill. Here we go. Super easy. I did not even lift anything above my head, right? Super easy. Now, from Accelerated Fastening, we have this thing called a spring hammer. Okay? We're going to take the gripple. We're going to thread it through the eyelet of the wedge anchor. Okay? Cut this gripple to whatever length you need. This anchor goes just like so, and we go up to the hole and we just knock it in with a couple whacks, just like so. Really is that easy. And now you're ready to put one more anchor over there and then hang your ductwork. I can't grip it, but it's in there hard. Solid. Okay, so overhead drilling, easy. Hammering in wedge anchors, easy. Thanks for watching.